What if I told you there is a single spot on your body, a kind of built-in reset button that, when stimulated for just 60 seconds a day, can dramatically improve blood flow, release deep-seated tension, and directly address the performance concerns that often appear after 50. Now, I know what you might be thinking. This sounds too good to be true, or maybe a little out there. But stick with me. This isn't a modern hack. It's a time-tested principle from ancient wellness traditions, and current science is now beginning to understand why it's so effective. In this video, I'm going to reveal the exact location of this powerful point, the simple technique to activate it, which natural oils can supercharge the results, and why this could be the most important minute of your day for reclaiming your vitality. No pills, no expensive gadgets, no embarrassing doctor's visits. This is something you can do yourself, in complete privacy, that delivers real, tangible benefits. Let's be honest. For many men crossing the 50-year mark, things shift. The system doesn't respond like it used to. Blood flow becomes less robust. Sensation can diminish. And what was once effortless now requires work or sometimes doesn't happen at all. Most guys resign themselves to this, thinking it's just an inevitable part of aging. They might rely on pills when needed, but that's just a temporary fix, not a solution. But here's the real story of what's happening inside your body. The root of the issue often lies in your pelvic floor, a group of muscles that control everything from urination to erectile function. Over time, these muscles can become both weak and tight. It sounds contradictory, but it's true. Imagine an old rubber band that's been left stretched out. It's still tight, but it's lost all its elasticity and snap. That's what happens to these crucial muscles. Years of sitting, stress, and general wear and tear create a perfect storm where circulation slows down. Nerves get compressed, and the entire system becomes sluggish. And because this isn't exactly common conversation among friends, most men never learn that there's a simple, physical way to address this. The specific area we're focusing on is known as the perineum. In traditional practices, it was often called the million-dollar point for men's health. It's the small, soft area located between the base of the scrotum and the anus. I get it. It's not a typical topic of discussion, but this spot is absolutely critical because it's a major convergence point for blood vessels that supply the genital area, key nerves that control function and sensation, and it has direct connections to the prostate. Stimulating this area is like unclogging a major traffic junction in a busy city. When this intersection is blocked, everything grinds to a halt. By applying gentle massage here, you're acting like a traffic controller, getting blood, nerves, and energy flowing smoothly again. So, how do you find it, and what do you do? Sit comfortably on the edge of a chair, or lie on your back with your knees bent. Using your index and middle fingers, gently feel for the soft area right in the middle, between the scrotum and the anus. You're looking for a slightly indented, soft spot. It might feel a little tender, which is a good sign you've found the right place. The technique is simple. Apply moderate pressure about what you'd use to press a computer key. Make small, gentle circles. Do this clockwise for 30 seconds, then counterclockwise for 30 seconds. That's it. You're not digging or causing pain. This is about gentle persuasion, not force. Some men prefer a gentle press and hold motion, like 5 seconds on, 5 seconds off. Experiment to see what feels best for your body. If you feel any sharp pain, just ease up. Now, you can do this dry, but using the right oil transforms it from a simple massage into a therapeutic treatment. The oil isn't just for a slip. Certain oils have properties that actively enhance circulation and reduce inflammation. My top recommendation is castor oil. It has a unique ability to penetrate deep into tissue. The ricinoleic acid inside is a powerful anti-inflammatory that also stimulates blood flow. Warm a teaspoon in your hands. First, it's much more comfortable and helps absorption. Coconut oil is another excellent choice, especially for sensitive skin. It's naturally antibacterial and absorbs well without leaving a greasy feeling. For those looking for an extra boost, black seed oil is a powerful, lesser-known option. It contains a compound shown to support healthy blood flow. You can even create a blend. Mix equal parts castor and coconut oil, and those 3 drops of an essential oil like peppermint for circulation or sandalwood, which is traditionally used for male vitality. So, what's actually happening when you do this? You're pumping blood. The pressure acts as a manual pump, pushing out old, stagnant blood and drawing in fresh, oxygen-rich blood. You're waking up nerves. You're stimulating and decompressing nerves that control erectile tissue, improving their signaling capacity. You're supporting prostate health. You're indirectly improving circulation to the prostate, which is crucial for overall male function, and you're telling your body to relax. This massage activates the rest and digest part of your nervous system, lowering stress hormones that can interfere with performance. For timing and consistency, the best times are morning, to leverage higher natural testosterone, or evening, to promote relaxation and nighttime recovery. Start with every other day for the first week, to let your body adapt. After that, aim for 1 minute daily. Consistency is far more important than duration. 1 minute every day is better than 10 minutes once a week. Now, let's cover a few common mistakes to avoid. Don't be too aggressive. This is not a deep tissue massage. Gentle, consistent pressure wins the race. If you feel soreness, you overdid it. Don't give up too soon. This is a cumulative practice. Most men notice initial changes in 1 to 2 weeks, with more significant results after a consistent month. And don't skip the oil, or use the wrong one. Dry massage can irritate the skin. Use natural, absorbent oils, not petroleum-based products. Beyond the obvious benefits, men who do this regularly often report unexpected wins. Things like better bladder control and fewer nighttime trips to the bathroom, a reduction in chronic lower back, hip, or pelvic pain, even improved symptoms of hemorrhoids, and a greater overall sense of well-being and relaxation. Here are a few pro tips to enhance the effect. Breathe deeply, inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4, and exhale for 4. This supercharges the relaxation response. Use warmth. A warm compress on the area for 5 minutes before you start can relax the tissue. And stretch. Simple butterfly stretches or happy baby poses help loosen the connected muscles in your hips and inner thighs. The key to making this stick is to build it seamlessly into your routine. Do it right after your shower or right before bed. Keep your oil in a visible spot. This isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent. If you miss a day, just get back to it. Think of this as preventive maintenance for your body. We service our cars and our homes. Why wouldn't we give the same care to the very core of our physical health? So here's the challenge. Commit to this for just 30 days, 1 minute a day. Pay attention. Notice the subtle shifts in your energy, your comfort, and your function. Sometimes, the most powerful solutions are also the simplest. This ancient wisdom, now supported by modern understanding, might just be the key to unlocking a new level of vitality in your life. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with someone who could benefit. Let's change the conversation around men's health. And if you try this technique, I'd love to hear about your experience in the comments below. Your story could inspire another man to take positive action. Remember, your best years don't have to be behind you. It all starts with just 1 minute a day. Thanks for watching, and be sure to follow for more tips on reclaiming your health.